Did inside on the firebird got wet? Yeah. Yay! Yeah. Okay, Nak. Oh, Lucky. Go, Lindsay, Lucky. He just watch you. Guys, you heard it? Lindsay's talking. Ready? Ace, over here, Ace. Play. He loves to play. Catch it. You tease it. Ah, good boy. Hey, what can I carry inside here? I love mommy. Huh? Ace, oh Lucky, you're the same color as the snow. You catch it? Look at his face full of snow. Woo! Nice catch, Ace. Good boy. And you're all gonna be wet. Got snows all over your back. Baby Lucky. Is Lucky okay today? Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. Look at mommy here. A good boy. Car is still full of grocery. Guys, lamig kayo ni guys. Magluto mi stir fry. Magluto mi og fish. Kani siya breaded. Butangan ni na I'm gonna put some egg panko fish. Oh, we bought the stir. Oh, I thought it's that. The stir fry mix. Huh? Lucky, he's just barking, doesn't he? Auntie Madel. Oh, my niece is so beautiful. She's so pretty. I said, Josh, you work early too, and we both get off the same time. Okay. What did you get off, Nak? I get up 1:30.
I got off early.
Oh.
It was, so I was supposed to have at 2, but because my coworker was talking about the struggle of snow, he was like, you can go. I was like, yeah, I will go.
Oh, okay.
And I think it's how we do it too, so we can close the station. Because at night, it's chaos.
Look at you. Your face is wet. He's so happy. You are so cute, Baba. Baba. You're a good boy. We got some snacks for you. Yeah, we got snacks for you. You want me to... we go. Going back to work. Yes. See? Lots of snow in our back door. And the backyard. I'm gonna walk down below to get in the car. Oh, it's in the car. I thought that I forgot my wallet. I left in the car. Of course. Very, very cold, guys. See? This snow, if it's raining, they already use to shovel off the snow on the road, but even that, it still have snow. As you can see, wow, I'm very tall. Anyway, very cold, guys. Ayan. There's some dog in the neighborhood. We used to go sleigh ride here, uphill. But anyway, it's very, very cold. So I'm using the Rogue to go back to work. Yeah, I just brought it home the food. Okay. Here I am. Let's go. What's ako guys dahil ang snow are not very good. They're not very, very good. It's cold. It's very, very, very cold. Hold on guys. Stay right there. Can you stay there? Of course not. Just one moment. I need to put this up here because I need to put my seat belt. Just stay right there. Would you? Doesn't want to stay. He doesn't want to stay. Just stay right there. I need to put my seat belt first and start the car. Oh, diba? Ay, cold. Very, very cold. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, how many minutes is that? 4 minutes. Alright, nice and hot. I need this. There we go. Oh, diba? Perfect. So because of that, I'm gonna end this recording because that's my other car right there. It's 3 minutes. Lots of snow. Still, it's very cold, guys. See? The snow. They clean the driveway. There's some wood cars down below. It's pretty. Let's take a picture of the house, babe. Okay. Pretty, huh? The sky and the snow. Crunch, 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 crunch. It's white everywhere. Sun's out. See? Sunset. Wow. The house. Look at the front.